Hey, what's going on, YouTube? And welcome back to Tech Conversations. Firstly, if you haven't already, make sure to check out Moomoo. Right now, you can earn an 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash by using my link in the description below. Right now, you can also get up to 60 free stocks. Keep in mind, terms and conditions do apply. So go ahead and check out Moomoo. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Also, make sure to check out the Discord, completely free to join. So I'll put a link to it in the description below as well. Now let's get right into today's video. So I want to talk about today about a brand new feature that I finally got access to on Robinhood. This feature is called Robinhood Tax Lots. And this is one of the most important features that I have seen Robinhood release recently. So let's take a look here at this feature. So firstly, what are tax lots on Robinhood? So tax lots on Robinhood will allow customers, so you and I, to choose specific assets to sell, and this will give us the ability to make more informed decisions and manage our tax bill. And so let's use NVIDIA as an example here. So as you can see, I own a couple of shares of NVIDIA. I own 12.23 shares of NVIDIA. Now, I did not buy all of these shares at once, as you will see shortly, nor did I buy all of these shares at the exact same price. So, for example, what if I bought one share when NVIDIA was close to $150 a share? If I bought a share of NVIDIA when it was at $150 a share right now, I would be down almost $40 on that one share. So, what if I wanted to sell that specific share, not the other shares that I've made money on, but that one specific share that I'm down $40 on? What if I wanted to sell that specific share for tax purposes? Well, this new Robinhood tax lots feature is going to allow us to do just that. Now, let's take a look here at where to find this feature and how to use it on Robinhood. So the first thing I want to mention here is that I do not see this feature yet on the desktop app here. So notice if I go to sell and I go to sell in, there is no tax lot option here yet. I'm not sure if Robinhood will add it to the desktop app or not. So for this demo, we will have to go over to the mobile app. So let's switch over to the mobile app and let's take a look here at this feature. So here we are on the mobile app. And so let's say I wanted to use this new tax lots feature. So what I would do here is I would first click on trade at the bottom right here. And once you click on trade, we want to go ahead and click on the sell button here. And so that'll take us to this screen right here. So from here, we want to click on the top right where it says shares. And here we want to make sure that under sell orders, we click on sell in tax lots. So this new feature here. And so as you can see, it says sell in VDA in specific lots based on purchase date and cost. So let's go ahead and click on that feature there. And so from this screen, you can change your order type. So we have market or limit. I'll just leave it as market for this demo. We can see the approximate market price there next. And then next we have our tax lots. So this is where you can go ahead and select the lots here. So if I click into here, you can see at the top it says choose tax lots. So again, here we can see kind of the different lots that we have and what date we purchased them, how many shares, our gain loss, and the cost per share here. So as you can see, the top one says I purchased a share for 96.79. So if I wanted to sell this one that has the biggest gain for tax purposes, I could do that. Now, also, if I scroll all the way down, you can see second from the bottom, purchased on April 14th at 116 cost per share. I purchased 5 shares, so I'm down $24. So if I wanted to sell these and take a loss of about $25, again for tax purposes, I could do that. So now once we've selected what lot we want to sell here, we would click on next. And as you can see, lastly, we have our estimated credit. So we would review this and you would swipe up to submit this here. So this is how you would use this tax loss feature here on the Robinhood mobile app. Now, let me quickly go over a couple of other things you should be aware of when using this new tax lots feature on Robinhood. So let's go over to the official documentation here. So tax lots, as we can see, this feature enables you to sell a specific tax lot to manage your capital gains and losses for tax purposes. So again, if you use this correctly, it could be very powerful here. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind. Tax lots is only available in the app for Robinhood investing, taxable accounts in the US, and this option is part of a phased customer release. So it's slowly rolling out to more and more customers. Again, I just got access to this today. So if you don't see this option yet, it says here it will be soon available for eligible accounts. So you should get the access to this feature very soon. Now, another thing I wanted to make sure I mention here is that I don't know if you remember or not, but there was an S and an L that was shown next to the date in that tax lot screen. Let me show you an example here very quickly. If we go back here and I zoom in, right, notice that next to the date, some of them have an L, some of them have an S. So what does that mean? So that represents S for short term. So that's a tax lot that's held short term, so 1 year or less. L is for long term. So that shows a tax lot that's been held for long term, so more than 1 year. And again, that matters a lot when it comes to tax purposes. So make sure that you're aware of that there. Now, you might also encounter some data missing. If there's some data missing, according to Robinhood here, you might see that for assets that you transferred into your Robinhood account. So it looks like you'd have to contact the other brokerage to obtain the missing info there. And there's some more things on here, but I'm not going to go over those here today. So as you can see, that is the new tax loss feature here on Robinhood. Let me know what you think about this new feature and if you're going to be using it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Check out the Discord, link to that in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys next time.